Hey everyone, I'm going to show you all how to make super easy spiked whipped cream. All you need is some heavy cream, any kind of cocktail shaker, a little something to give it some flavor, and your strainer. So the key is the spring on your strainer. You might not know this, but it can come off. We're going to pop that right into our tin. And then we're going to add our heavy cream. And I like to add, like I said, a little touch of flavor, just a little splash. Perfect. Who doesn't love coffee and cream? And then you just have to shake it really hard until you can feel a little bit of resistance. Okay, so I can start, now I'm starting to hear that there's a little bit of resistance. You want your whipped cream to be able to melt into your cocktail. It should be an ingredient, not just a garnish. And that's why making it from scratch makes such a huge difference. Oh yeah. Perfect. Delicious. Easy to make.